How to sign into Airbnb as a host. Hey everybody, welcome back. In order to sign into an Airbnb host, you can use the same login credential as a guest. So you could install the app or you could also use a browser version. If you're using app, just make sure to install it. And here, once you are on the web page, you just want to type in Airbnb, after which it's just going to take you to their official page. So simply want to make sure to go ahead and select the first link that pops up. So now what here you need to do is, in order to log in as a host, simply select login. You could then go ahead and use a phone number or an email address or your Google account or Google ID as well. Either way, the procedure is just going to remain the same. Then you can just if prompted, you have to enter the one-time code sent to your phone or an email. So once you're logged in, you could then go ahead and tap onto the profile, and there you have guest, right? So simply select that out and you could go ahead and complete your profile, or just go ahead and select or switch to host. Since I have not become a host, so I just have these options, so you will be able to find it right on the page. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.